Hi guys, so today let's discuss this smart money and limit orders. So today this is only a global discussion, and if you want to update the current subtitle, you can just tap the closed captions and then go to settings and then select your preferred language. So today we will discuss this smart money as well as the limit order, wherein you can set your preferred price using this DEX, guys. So smart money is one of the features here in OKX wallet, wherein the purpose is that it's an on-chain analysis tools which allows users to track the movements and strategies of the large successful institutional investors, often called whales. It also offers smart trading bots and smart accounts with automated functionalities. So you can also check here that there's a smart money option. So saan nga ba siya makikita? So punta lang tayo dito sa my tracker dito. And then once you select that, ay piliin mo lang itong smart money, no? So dito makikita mo yung mga inflows as well, like for example this one. And aside from signal, dito sa taas na ito, dito ko rin nakita itong like for example yung Sashi, no, or yung Sachi. So lumabas siya dito, and then like once I select, ay nakita ko yung pinaka patterns ng price action based on the charts. And I decided to, like for example this one Sachi, and decided to do some research, no. So yun yung pinaka-importante din dito, as well as the badges wherein available dito sa kadikit ng kanyang pangalan, no. So if first time nyo lang dito, share ko na rin yung pinaka-tips, no, para mas ma-lower pa yung pinaka trading fees. So punta lang kayo dito sa may referral tab. Ayan. And then you can enter yung code, no, itong Crypto Fortune, kasi meron ng 10% discount dyan. Once you enter, just confirm and you're good to go for the 10% off dito gamit itong application na ito, no. So dito sa my tracker, ayan, again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference. It's an educational content and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hindi pa ako financial advisor. Make sure to do some research and also understand the risk and reward para mas magkaroon kayo dito ng informed decisions, no. Yes, there's an opportunity sa mga meme coins, pero kailangan din natin i-consider yung pinaka-risk dito, guys, no. So dito nga makikita natin, like for example this one is one of the influencers. So it's part of the smart money. Ayan. As well as this one, dahil ito ay meron siyang like kasama siya sa mga criteria of the influencers, and maganda yung PNL ng mga address na yan, no. So that's one of the smart money criteria dito, as we can see. Ayan, yung mga influencers, makikita mo kung ano yung kanilang DCAs, accumulate. So isa sa mga magandang features din pala dito, guys, is that like for example we do some research and we interested doon sa particular tokens. Like for example this one, meron siyang option na limit order, guys, no. You can set the price. Like for example this one, you can change price or market cap. So let's update into price. So if gusto natin na dito banda makabili, so palitan mo lang dito, no. Like for example 69. Ayan, no. So merong lalabas dyan. Itabi ko lang muna ito. Ayan, no, merong lalabas dyan once I do limit orders, no. So like for example 0.006. Ayan. So if ever na pumunta yung price action dito, dyan siya matitrigger, no. Like for example gusto mo iset sa support, like for example 0.00673. Ayan. And then you can just set yung available sol mo dito, like for example 0.001. Ayan. So wala lang ditong sol na available, pero yung pinaka-minimum makikita naman natin dyan. And kung gusto naman natin ibenta, we can also set dito, guys, na like for example na hit na yung pinaka limit order natin dito, we can set sell limit order within this zone, no. So makikita natin yung pinaka-price sa gilid dito sa zone na ito, like for example 0.0091. Ayan. So if ever man na tamaan yung area na yan ay mabebenta dito guys, no? Like, just set kung ilang percentage ng asset na available sa end mo or yung holdings mo, yung gusto mong ibenta. Like, for example, 20% ng available asset mo and 75% you can set and then you can place limit order dito guys, no? So, it's automatically trigger once na tamaan ng price action dito sa zone na ito. So, if first time mo lang nagamit itong limit order, kailangan lang dito na meron kang pinaka-consent just to confirm na you're using limit order guys, no? So, yun yung isa sa mga gamit dito at isa sa mga features na wala sa iba. Kasi sa iba, it's instantly na market order kagad, no? So, for this one, meron na siyang limit order. So, yun, a quick tips lang dito guys sa video natin. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions regarding dito, just feel free to comment lang. Hope I acknowledge your questions dito, especially for those who ask questions regarding other features dito guys, no? And kung hindi nyo pa palagay sa papanood yung smart contract ideas, how to check, lalay ko na lang dito guys sa screen. And see you sa video na yan guys. So, maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.